Oh man, it is that time of year. It is Dreamforce 2024. You don't know about Dreamforce? Dreamforce is Salesforce's event of the year. We're talking 40,000 people that all converge on San Francisco to start talking about the platform and what they're truly going to bring to market here in the next year and everything they have to offer. And Asymbl is going to be there. I'm going to be there. A bunch of other people from the company are going to be there. We are participating in a number of different things that I'm so excited to be able to start talking to you about. One, we've got a session that we're going to be co-presenting with Salesforce and one of our customers. More on that later. Two, I'm going to be on stage at the AI Theater talking all about AI and recruiting and what everyone can use this incredible Salesforce platform to do and what that future is going to be. Three, we're going to be there roaming the floor, talking to you all to understand what you're finding out about Dreamforce and what you want to learn more about. So if you haven't already, you better get your tickets September 17th through 19th in San Francisco. We want to see you there. We want to talk about everything that's happening, about AI, about the future of data, about the future of trust built inside that Salesforce platform, and everything that Asymbl is going to do to help you shape your business. So I hope to see you there.